like, comment, and subscribe for more on the latest tech, home, fitness, and lifestyle products with real-life applications. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be going over the Sharper Image Aromatherapy Diffuser. This one has LED lighting. Aromatherapy is what it's for, and it is USB powered. Number 1, aromatherapy. Add your own essential oils and water for a pleasing mist. Generous capacity. Create 12 hours of continuous mist for lasting relaxation. Number 3, we have LED light. Illuminate the diffuser with constant or pulsed lighting. And auto shutdown. Enjoy carefree mist. Safely turns off when reservoir is empty. Alongside the USB cable, which power conveniently with the USB cable that is included. Definitely can't wait to open this up. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, there is our little quick start guide and such. Here's the actual unit. Let's go ahead and take that tape off the top. Okay, now since we have it out of the box, definitely think this looks very stylish. Let me know down in the comment sections what you guys think about this aromatherapy diffuser, because in my opinion this is definitely one of the coolest ones. I've seen a couple of these that look exactly like this but have a wooden bottom, but definitely like that blue with the white combo. Makes it look very modern and very sleek. Here we have the reservoir right there, and I believe the fill line is right here. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see that, but it's at the bottom of my thumb, and that is our fill line. So let's go ahead and grab some of our essential oils that I have right here from ArtNaturals. This is the top 6 essential oils kit, and this one is 100% pure essential oil, and they are all therapeutic grade. So perfect to use in this demonstration. Go ahead and sit those right there for now. And let's also get us some water in here up to the fill line. Okay, now we have water up to the fill line. Let's go ahead and take our cord and get everything plugged in for us. Let's test this bad boy out. Let's go ahead and plug it in, and then press the on button. I'll go ahead and move this stuff a little bit further back here. Now while we wait on it to heat up and to start doing its thing, let's actually go ahead and grab one of these out. We have lavender, eucalyptus, rosemary, peppermint, tea tree, and sweet orange. I'm always going to be going with the eucalyptus because I love the energize, and I love the overall fragrance of eucalyptus. It really smells fantastic and makes me feel great as well. So here we have the eucalyptus, 100% pure and natural, and this stuff is amazing. And just a few drops is all we will be needing. Okay, as you can tell, it is starting to work. Just had to add some of that eucalyptus, and now we should be good. Let's sit here and wait on it to start. Wow guys, the entire time that we've been waiting, I can actually see there is mist coming out of the top right there. It's just when we are focused in on it like that, of course you can't see it, but the second that I get above it, we actually do have some mist. The room is also starting to fill up with that wonderful scent of eucalyptus, guys. Fantastic, and it definitely did start to work very quickly. I just didn't recognize it as reacting so quickly. So it's super cool to finally have done this unboxing. I want to thank everyone for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products or real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.